really what brought me to the Screenwriters workshop was it was initially sent to me by my college counselor at school, and I just kept looking at it, and it really aligned with what I wanted to do in my life, because I've been interested in storytelling for years. Like most other filmmakers, I started with my mom's phone in my backyard with my friends making stories. And since then, my goal has been to get better, but I haven't really had any formal education or really any education at all other than just watching movies by myself. And I thought that this would be a great opportunity to actually learn what goes into making a story and how to improve as a storyteller. Also, it just matched my approach to education and learning extremely well, because I'm a busy person, and my professor for that, Scott Bankert, he always made sure to be accommodating. And even when I couldn't make a meeting, he would always set up times to meet with me outside of that. And it was just great because I got to have that experience that I wanted while also being able to do other things in my life. And that's really it. And we started each assignment with watching a movie and looking at specific elements of film. And then right after that, we would do a short assignment on applying that into our own work. So we really built on top of each other every day. And it was a great experience to start from the conception of a story to getting to a finished product. It helped me understand the stories that I wanted to tell and how I wanted to tell them. For example, in the program, you watch a lot of movies to analyze their storytelling and their writing. And one of those movies that we watched was Y Tu Mama Tambien. And that really taught me so much about how powerful film can be and how we have the power to both entertain and educate and teach at the exact same time. And one of the most valuable lessons I learned from my entire experience was that you don't get it right on your first try. You really start off with a base idea, and then you chisel away at it and just chip and refine until it's your vision. Because initially, I thought it was pretty daunting just going in and having the pressure of being like, oh, I have to have a perfect story. This has to be great. But my professor helped me see that, no, all of these ideas kind of start out small and you expand upon them and you refine them and make them into what you're imagining in your head. Being surrounded by people who care about film as much as you, I think that's exactly what I was looking for in the program, and I'm very happy that that's what I got, because I mean the process in the screenwriting workshop is a little different than the filmmaking, because you're all working on your own scripts. But I thought just having that group there who was readily available to talk and help make your stories better, and you can help them tell their stories, is just an amazing experience. And also with the professors, you call them, or at least in the screenwriting program, I had a call with them every week to discuss where I was at. And then he would help me refine my story and tell me what worked and what didn't work, and if something in my script didn't make sense and how I could improve that. And that's something I really wanted, was to learn actually how to get better, not just for storytelling, but for my own edification. I don't think you really need to know anything about screenwriting or storytelling to enjoy it when you start, because the program really helps you just appreciate filmmaking and storytelling as a whole. Like as I previously mentioned, you really start with a base and go from there. And I believe that anyone can tell a story. We do it every day, whether it just be a simple anecdote or whatnot. The program just really helps you refine that and turn that into a message that has value.